15 cool gadgets you can buy in 2023. Gear up for the future with the 15 coolest gadgets of 2023. Stay ahead of the curve with Best Cool Tech. Hit the like and subscribe buttons to never miss a beat on the latest and greatest in the tech world. Number 15. TickTock S. Introducing the TickTock S Phone, the ultimate gadget for anyone who wants to stay ahead of the curve. This sleek and stylish device packs a punch with its powerful performance, stunning display, and advanced features. Whether you're a tech-savvy user or simply looking for a device that can keep up with your fast-paced lifestyle, the TickTock S Phone is the perfect choice. With its impressive camera capabilities, you can capture all your special moments in stunning detail. Its large display and crystal-clear audio make it perfect for streaming your favorite movies or listening to your favorite music. And with its lightning-fast processor, you can multitask like a pro and never miss a beat. What's more, the TickTock S Phone is available on both Amazon and AliExpress. Don't miss out on this opportunity to upgrade your smartphone game and take your tech experience to the next level. Buy the TickTock S Phone today and see for yourself what all the fuss is about. Number 14. SnapStand Power Set. Have you ever been frustrated by the lack of stability when taking photos or videos on your phone? Look no further than the SnapStand Power Set. This innovative gadget provides a versatile and sturdy tripod for your phone, making it the perfect tool for capturing those hard-to-get shots. It's easy to set up, compact for on-the-go use, and comes with a remote control for even more convenience. Plus, with its sleek design and multiple color options, it's sure to turn heads wherever you go. Don't miss out on the coolest gadget of the year. Get your SnapStand Power Set today, available on Amazon and AliExpress. Number 13. 1X Player 2. Are you a hardcore gamer looking for the ultimate portable gaming experience? Look no further than the 1X Player 2. This sleek and powerful gadget packs a serious punch, boasting an Intel Core i7 processor and an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1185 graphics card. You'll experience stunning visuals and lightning-fast gameplay on its 8.4-inch IPS screen with a 2560 by 1600 resolution. And with up to 16 gigabytes of RAM and 2 terabytes of storage, you'll have plenty of space to store your favorite games and media. The 1X Player 2 is perfect for gaming on the go, with a compact design that fits easily into your backpack or purse. And with built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, you can connect to the internet and your other devices with ease. Plus, its long-lasting battery ensures you can play for hours without needing to recharge. Order your 1X Player 2 today on Amazon or AliExpress and start gaming like a pro wherever you go. Number 12. Click-In-One Laptop Stand. Are you tired of hunching over your laptop all day, struggling with neck and back pain? Look no further than the Click-In-One Laptop Stand, the coolest gadget to improve your posture and comfort while working or streaming. This sleek and modern stand is made of high-quality aluminum alloy and can support laptops up to 15.6 inches. It has an adjustable height and angle, making it customizable to your preferred viewing position. Plus, its unique design allows for better heat dissipation, keeping your laptop cool and running smoothly. The Click-In-One is not only functional but also stylish, with a minimalist look that will complement any workspace or home decor. Buy the Click-In-One laptop stand now on Amazon or AliExpress and improve your productivity and comfort today. Number 11. Sweat Tent. Are you looking for a unique and exciting way to relax and rejuvenate in the great outdoors? Look no further than the Sweat Tent Outdoor Sauna Tent. This innovative gadget brings the traditional sauna experience to the comfort of your own backyard or campsite. Simply set up the tent, heat up the stones, and enjoy the soothing warmth and detoxifying benefits of a sauna session. Not only is the Sweat Tent Outdoor Sauna Tent a fun and unique addition to any outdoor space, but it also boasts numerous health benefits. Sauna sessions have been shown to improve circulation, relieve stress, and even aid in weight loss. Plus, the Sweat Tent's portable design makes it easy to take on camping trips or to use at home. Grab a Sweat Tent Outdoor Sauna Tent today, available on both Amazon and AliExpress for your convenience. Number 10. Flipstick Pro. Are you tired of holding your phone or tablet while watching your favorite shows or scrolling through social media? Look no further than the Flipstick Pro, the ultimate hands-free gadget. This sleek and innovative device features a strong adhesive backing that securely attaches to the back of your device, allowing you to easily prop it up on any flat surface. But the Flipstick Pro isn't just for propping up your device, and with its compact design, you can easily slip it into your pocket or bag when you're on the go. Plus, with its availability on Amazon and AliExpress, you can easily purchase one for yourself or as a gift for a friend. Say goodbye to sore arms and awkward phone-holding positions, and say hello to the convenience and versatility of the Flipstick Pro. Number 9. Portable Solar Oven. Are you an outdoor enthusiast who loves to cook and explore the great outdoors? If so, the portable solar oven is the perfect gadget for you. This innovative device harnesses the power of the sun to cook your favorite meals wherever you go. With its compact and lightweight design, the portable solar oven is easy to carry and set up. The oven's reflective panels concentrate the sun's rays to create temperatures up to 350 degrees, making it possible to cook everything from soups and stews to baked goods. Not only is the portable solar oven eco-friendly and cost-effective, it also eliminates the need for propane and other fuels, making it safer and more convenient for outdoor cooking. Ready to take your outdoor cooking game to the next level? Buy the portable solar oven today on Amazon or AliExpress and start enjoying delicious solar-cooked meals on your next adventure. Number 8. Zyke Drive USB 4 SSD. Are you tired of slow transfer speeds and limited storage space on your computer or laptop? Look no further than the Zyke Drive USB 4 SSD. This sleek and stylish gadget offers lightning-fast transfer speeds of up to 40 gigabits per second, making it perfect for transferring large files such as videos or photos. The Zyke Drive also features a durable aluminum casing that's both stylish and practical, providing protection for your valuable data. It's compatible with both Mac and Windows operating systems and is easy to use. Simply plug it in and you're ready to go. Don't wait. Get your hands on the Zyke Drive USB 4 SSD today. Available on Amazon and AliExpress. Are you enjoying these mind-blowing tech gadgets? Make sure you don't miss out on the latest and greatest by hitting that like and subscribe button now. Number 7. Unidice. Are you looking for a new gaming console that takes your gaming experience to the next level? Look no further than the Unidice gaming console. This cutting-edge gadget is the ultimate gaming machine that offers unparalleled gaming performance and versatility. With its powerful hardware, including a fast processor and high-end graphics card, the Unidice gaming console can handle the most demanding games with ease. The console's sleek design and intuitive interface make it easy to use, while its compatibility with a wide range of gaming accessories makes it a versatile addition to any gamer's collection. And the best part? You can buy the Unidice gaming console on Amazon and AliExpress, so you can get your hands on this amazing gadget with just a few clicks. Don't settle for an average gaming experience. Level up your game with the Unidice gaming console. Number 6. Vader Mouse Jiggler. Are you tired of your computer going to sleep mode or locking after a few minutes of inactivity? Say hello to the Vader Mouse Jiggler, the coolest gadget that solves this problem effortlessly. This compact device simulates mouse movements to prevent your computer from going to sleep or locking mode. The Vader Mouse Jiggler is easy to use. Just plug it into your computer's USB port and it'll start working immediately. Its compact design and silent operation make it perfect for use in the office or at home. You can even use it to keep your computer active while streaming movies or running a presentation. This amazing gadget is available on Amazon and AliExpress, and it comes in 2 different versions, the standard version and the advanced version, which has additional features such as password protection and customizable mouse movements. Don't let your computer go to sleep mode or lock up again. Get the Vader Mouse Jiggler today and experience uninterrupted computing. Number 5. Polygon Lamp. Are you looking for a gadget that can light up your room while also providing a musical and rhythmic ambiance? Look no further than the Polygon Lamp Music Rhythm. This innovative device combines a stylish polygon-shaped lamp with a built-in Bluetooth speaker that syncs with the lamp's changing colors and patterns to create a dynamic and captivating atmosphere. Whether you're hosting a party or simply relaxing at home, the Polygon Lamp Music Rhythm is sure to impress. The lamp's sleek design and customizable color options allow you to tailor the device to your personal style, while the high-quality speaker ensures that your music sounds crisp and clear. And the best part? The Polygon Lamp Music Rhythm is available for purchase on both Amazon and AliExpress. Number 4. Autobot Speaker. Looking for a speaker that's both stylish and functional? Look no further than the Autobot Bluetooth speaker. This sleek and compact speaker packs a powerful punch, delivering crisp and clear audio that will fill any room with your favorite tunes. But what sets the Autobot apart from other speakers on the market? Its unique, futuristic design is sure to turn heads and start conversations. Shaped like a robot, this speaker is perfect for anyone who loves all things sci-fi and tech. And with its Bluetooth connectivity, you can easily stream music from your smartphone or tablet, making it the ultimate portable speaker. Grab your Autobot Bluetooth speaker today, available on both Amazon and AliExpress for your convenience. Number 3. Radix Gaming Router. Are you tired of lagging and slow internet speeds during your gaming sessions? Look no further than the Radix Gaming Router. This powerful gadget is designed specifically for gamers with advanced QoS or quality of service technology that prioritizes gaming traffic for a smoother and more responsive gaming experience. With the Radix Gaming Router, you can say goodbye to frustrating lag spikes and delays. The router is equipped with 4 high-performance antennas and supports the latest Wi-Fi 6 technology, delivering lightning-fast speeds and improved connectivity. In addition to its impressive technical specs, the Radix Gaming Router also features a sleek and modern design that will complement any gaming setup. Don't settle for subpar internet speeds and connectivity during your gaming sessions. Upgrade to the Radix Gaming Router today and take your gaming experience to the next level. Available on Amazon and AliExpress, it's a must-have gadget for any serious gamer. Number 2. Tonto Mini Divot Repair Tool. Are you an avid golfer who wants to keep your favorite greens in top-notch condition? Look no further than the Tonto Mini Divot Repair Tool. This compact and stylish gadget is the perfect accessory for any golfer who wants to keep their course in pristine condition. Made from high-quality materials, this divot repair tool is built to last and comes in a sleek design that's sure to impress. Its compact size makes it easy to carry in your pocket or golf bag, so you can always have it on hand when you need it. Not only does the Tonto Mini Divot Repair Tool look great, but it also makes fixing divots a breeze. With its sharp prongs, you can quickly and easily repair divots on the green, ensuring that the course stays in great shape for all golfers to enjoy. Don't settle for a boring divot repair tool. Upgrade to the Tonto Mini Divot Repair Tool today. It's available on Amazon and AliExpress, so you can order yours now and start improving your golf game. Number 1. Faux Case Phone Case. Looking for a phone case that's both stylish and functional? Look no further than the Faux Case Phone Case, the coolest gadget you didn't know you needed. Have you ever dropped your phone and watched in horror as the screen shattered? With the Faux Case Phone Case, you won't have to worry about that anymore. This innovative case is designed to protect your phone from bumps, scratches, and drops, thanks to its durable and shock-absorbent materials. But the Faux Case Phone Case is more than just practical, it's also incredibly stylish. And the best part? The Faux Case Phone Case is available on both Amazon and AliExpress. Don't miss out on the latest and greatest in tech. Hit the like and subscribe buttons now to stay tuned with the best cool tech. Also, tell us your pick, Radix Gaming Router or 1X Player 2. Drop your choice in the comments below.